What's up, everybody, and welcome to episode 5. So, I got rid of the Reach for the Stars pack, and lo and behold, what you know, the numbers went up. I think. I wasn't going to record this episode because I didn't want to bore you guys with issues of things not working, but I felt that if it does work, I'd rather be recording rather than having to stop and go back. And if it doesn't work, then at least I can tell you what we're going to do to go around, to get around it not wanting to function right with real solar systems. So, that being said, if it doesn't work, for whatever reason, this thing decides that the we're not going to be able to do anything with it. It's just like, no, sorry. How we're going to get around fixing it is we are just going to go in ourselves, and I'm just going to delete all the engines altogether, the part engines, just get rid of them, and go into my other mods that I have, like KW Rocketry, Nova Punch, and Mercury to Apollo, and all that stuff, and pull each individual engine over that I like, that I think looks nice and looks good, and then start changing the thrust ratio and start tweaking a few things here and there and get that balance to function right. So then that way, we at least know that that it's gonna work. If this doesn't, so we're gonna try this out. Once I got rid of Reach from the Stars, I noticed that I have now a new engine called SpaceX Merlin. This gives me 369.2 max thrust, which means it can lift 36 tons because you divide that by 10. Rounding it. If you want to get technical, fine, get technical. But, yeah, you pretty much get 36 tons this thing can lift. My sea level, or not sea level, but my vacuum is 288. That is way more than... or actually, no, that's not. I'm sorry. This is a weak engine compared to anything else, but it's a 1.75 meter. So that means some of these command pods that we have, which you notice that we don't even have anymore, smaller command pods and stuff we might be able to use. But these engines now have a higher vacuum. They have 311 plus a higher thrust. And so hopefully now we can actually get going somewhere with this thing. So as you can see, this is now a 3 meter part. Remember before it wasn't even, God, I don't even know, but we can't adjust the sizes anymore. The sizes are now stuck to where they are. So if I want to create something, I'm gonna have to do this, which is alright. It doesn't bother me. I want to get this functioning. I want to get this working. I want the series to start going somewhere because I want to start getting communications satellites up once I get the ability for communications, remote tech stuff. Then start getting a space station up and running with the habitats and everything. Start sending Kerbals up, doing EVAs, getting them into it, and the whole 9 yards. Really start getting this thing moving. But we shall see if this works. So I have two different ones here. One has gimbal, one doesn't. Or they both actually have gimbal. This one comes with the engine igniter. This one doesn't. That one comes with it. What's the difference between this one and this one? Besides thrust. I think that's it. Okay. Yeah, so that's just pretty much it. One comes with lesser thrust than the other one, and so forth. So, yeah, fun times, actually. I do got my Delta V up. It's right there. There. Alright, let's add our fuel that we need. Alright, see, now we're talking. Now I can actually go ahead and start adding fuel times and getting some burn times on this thing. and dropping this down to where it needs to be. Thank God, man. That was just so freaking annoying. It wasn't even funny. Given how big this is going, I think I'm going to grab another one from here. Oh, I don't have RCS thrusters, don't I? Huh. No, yeah, I don't. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? I already have that engine. I only have 36 with burn time on that. I could limit this. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Now we're talking. So we're going to bring our thrust down to like 50%. That's what I think I'll go with. Or we'll go down to 47. Because I want this to kind of be the rocket that's going to be up into space. It's already going to be up in space. It's going to be way outside the thick part of the atmosphere, and so we don't have to worry about being pulled back down to Earth's atmosphere. But we'll find out. So now that we have that, we're going to take our 700 and some odd thrust engine on this bad boy and pop our fuel into it. Go back and start to increase the burn time. Bump it up to 5 meters. Maybe go to 7 meters is what that should be. Yeah, that should be good. And then we'll come into here and bring our thrust down just a tad to give us that. So our delta V is only 6,424. Nowhere near enough to get no way near the amount that we need of delta V to get into orbit, but that's okay. I think now we're finally cooking. We're finally getting somewhere with this crap. So, yay! We should be good to go. Done. Let's publish episode 4. So now episode 4 is up. And I will put that there for episode 5, which we're on right now. And yeah. Okay, so I love to leave my stuff up there. What a pain in the butt to get working. It took a lot of the parts that were, and I think a lot of it too has to do with me not actually reading the forums correctly. I think it had a lot to do with it, and that's probably why some of it was not working. But fingers crossed, guys. Here we go, and let's see if we can actually get somewhere with this thing. I seriously hope and pray that this little capsule up here has some torque on it, which I honestly truly don't think it does, but we'll find out. So anyways, I think now we finally are getting somewhere, to be honest with you. I think we're actually starting to get moving here. And going to throttle back a bit because I'm going 250 meters a second. I do not want to go that fast. Starting to get some high dynamic pressure, as you can see, which is no bueno. See if I can start a turn without this freaking out. Damn it. If you look at the nav ball, we're starting to rotate, which is not good. And I'm holding the opposite rotation to try to stop it. It's not happening. We're having aerodynamic failure. No shit. No shit, Sherlock. Try and see if maybe I can throttle back, if that will kind of help counteract it, which it is. That's good. Just means that everything else is kind of out of whack there. Now we're starting to turn that way. Oh yeah, we're starting to really spin out of control here. See if I can throttle back just a little more. Try to keep it. Come on, baby. Come on, you know you want to. Oh, we're getting some burning. Going way too fast into this atmosphere. 142 degrees Celsius. My parachutes is what I'm worried about. Parachutes is, oh god, parachutes is climbing 760 degrees Fahrenheit. If it starts getting up into the thousands, it's gonna burn. But we should be getting out soon. Come on, baby, come on. Jebediah is piloting. Oop. Piloting this thing is good. Alright. So we are doing awesome on this. I still haven't set up my custom window, obviously, just yet, because I need to get everything figured out first before I even start worrying about all that other fun stuff. So, where are we at? Oh, we're definitely way up into space. Alright. Awesome, guys. We finally made a suborbital flight. Isn't that... oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I love it. Let's see what the burn time's starting to look out on this one. 4-second burn time. Shit. I didn't mean to get rid of that. And start cranking this up. It's 4-second worth of burn time is what's needed. 10 seconds. Yeah, we're not going to have enough fuel to get this into space. No way. We only have 157 meters per second left of delta V on this bad boy. Alright, well then, with that being said, let's just see how oh, you know what? I just realized that as soon as I let go of that, my fuel, I only had enough for one ignition. Not good, not good. That was not good on that one. Alright, Far, I don't need you up anymore. Alright, Mystery Goo, we are in space. Finally has made it into space. I'm going to observe the Mystery Goo. I'm going to take that. EVA, Jebediah, please. Oh shit, grab onto your rocket, dude. What are you doing? EVA reports. Report from space in water, above water, curb in water. Awesome. Awesome. Now comes the part that I didn't realize. Oh man, have you guys noticed what I just did? When I jettisoned the oh, Jebediah, you're gonna burn up, dude. Shit. Well, we're still rising. Holy shit, this thing has like no torque. It can't even torque itself right. everything's like frozen all of a sudden. I have no control over nothing. Oh shit. Okay, it wouldn't let me deploy the parachutes. Thank God. Oh, that would have been stupid. Yeah, I have no... There we go. Okay. Alright, we're coming back down. I do have my thrusters here that I can engage to hopefully get this to work. I'm hoping. I don't know. My parachute, this thing's like stuck. Oh, now it's turning. Okay. Come on, you fucker. Oh, it's gonna go just like a bullet. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. Shit. Fuck. Oh, there goes the mystery goo. There goes something. Oh no, there goes the parachutes. Reaching crew G limit. Jebediah just died. Oh. Alright guys, well, I'll see you guys in the next episode. I hope you enjoy. We're actually getting somewhere. See you all later.